Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube. Welcome back for another fun mystery unboxing video. I'm so excited about this box because this is a Free People movement box. Those of you that are friends of the channel know that I'm a Northern California boho girl, and Free People is my favorite brand. And Free People has so many different lines. They've got Intimately Free People, New Romantics, We the Free, and more. And they have Free People Movement, which is like their activewear line, except they make it really cute with lots of fun details. This box is from B&G Trading company. They're a company I use sometimes. They're a liquidation company. I'm not an affiliate, but I do have a link for a discount in my description section, so you can check them out. Let's open the box so that I can look at my invoice and give you all the details about it and see what's inside. Let's do it. Do it. You can see my Thredup boxes back here. Gotta get to those. That's a Thredup shoebox. Okay, this is how it's coming. This is all new with tags. I'll tell you everything about it. Okay, it's just like in a bag here. So, and I don't see an invoice, so I might have to, oh, maybe it's down here. Okay. And friends, I hope you'll take a moment to subscribe to the channel and turn on that little bell for notifications. I have a lot of unboxing videos on my channel. I do a live video every Friday. We have a great community of friends here who love to talk all about reselling. So be sure you're subscribed, you like the video, and you turn on the bell so you get notifications when a new video comes out. Thanks, friends. Okay, already just so excited to see Free People movement stuff. This is a really timely time. This is a really good time. Did I tell you guys that I put all the bloopers in at the end of the video now? So if you just want to laugh with me, stay tuned to the end, and I add a bunch of stuff that's like I had to edit out because it's too much, like, even for me. So this is the Free People movement hoodies and sweatpants, which is so perfect for this time, right? I'm filming this in March 2021. It's still cold. We're still in pandemic times. Everyone's wanting to wear their comfortable, cozy clothes. They didn't show a lot in the photo, but it looked like cozy sweatshirts and stuff. I got 10 items. The cost was $139.99, and then you have to pay shipping and tax. So yeah, I'll put up on the screen what that works out to be per item. I do remember that it was kind of a high cost of goods. So I buy this stuff to resell on eBay and Poshmark. I've been selling on eBay for 10 years and Poshmark for a few years. And when I checked comps on this stuff though, you guys, it was like things were going in like the $40, $50 range. So I felt like it was gonna be worth a little bit of an investment to get some really great stuff that's popular right now and selling really well, especially it seems like on Poshmark. So let's get into it. Okay, so I don't love this part of getting wholesale stuff. Like, they do a really nice job sending it, but everything's in these plastic bags. So I'm gonna try and save them, but they're gonna be noisy.
Let's just get that over with and
know that that's happening. And it might just take me a little while, but it's only 10 items. So, okay, this is exciting. So this one has an MSRP of $68, Free People movement. I'll show you the tags because it might look different than some of their other tags that we're used to seeing. Here's the Free People. What is in here? Why is it making noise? Oh, it's so new. It's even got like tissue paper in there. So this is what the Free People movement tag looks like, and this is a small. I'm hoping I get like a mix of sizes. So that's their Free People movement, and see that? That's the logo. So if it's anywhere on here, this is so cute. I'll show it to you because I've talked about this before in other videos. When I'm buying fitness stuff, oftentimes people cut the tags right out of leggings and stuff. So it's really good to start to learn the logo. So when you're at the thrift store and you're flipping through, you can recognize by logo. You don't necessarily have to see the tag. So this is a size small, super cropped hooded sweatshirt, really soft, really nice. Now I'm gonna confess, because I'm very transparent here on this channel, maybe a little too transparent sometimes. Anyway, I was thinking, yeah, it's expensive, but Quemby, you're probably going to want to keep some of this stuff yourself. So maybe you can keep a few pieces and then sell the rest. Oh, here's the logo. So it's really good to know the different logos. That's because somebody probably will, especially if there's a hang tag, they'll like cut it out. So these are Free People Movement size small, and these are jogger pants, like gray joggers, super cute. Now, one of the things I love about Free People is the quality. They use really good fabrics often. They put a lot of details. So these, like, even though they're just sweatpants, you can see the stitching along here. It kind of looks a little bit like distressed. And it's a jogger if it goes down and then has like an elastic ankle like this. So it's like a skinny pant almost with the elastic ankle. That's a jogger. So that's a keyword I will definitely use. Those are really cute. Those will be too small for me. Oh, I wonder if I'm going to get some multiples. No, this looks like the matching sweatpants to the Free People sweatshirt that I showed you. It does seem like it's kind of popular right now for people to wear sets. Have you guys noticed that? Like a matching top and bottom set? I haven't seen that since like the 90s where it's all
matchy.
Cool. So these look bigger. Oh good, they're a large. These retail for $68 and they're the same jogger, but they're in purple. Super cute with the pockets and everything. And the inside has like this super soft fleecy stuff. So yes, my store, my eBay store, my Poshmark closet are linked in the description section below. But if you ever love anything in a haul, you can, ooh, I just did the camera, just get wiggy. Okay, if you ever love anything in a haul, just message me on Instagram at thegratefulqueen or thegratefulqueen@gmail.com. I do sell directly to people. And I try and give a really good deal. I still have to make a profit because this is my business, but I love passing deals on to you guys. Okay, so these look like the same jogger pants in a size extra small. Okay, so now we've got some multiples. So now I'm going to need to decide how I want to list these. So one of the benefits sometimes of buying wholesale or liquidation is you get multiples. So then what you could do on eBay is make one listing. Hopefully I'll find some stock photos. If I find any really cute ones, I'll be sure to pop them up in the video for you. That's my popping it up arms. I'll pop that picture up.
Yeah.
And that's less work. If you can make one listing for these Free People Movement pants, if I find out the name, the way that you find out the name is they have a number on them, OB and then a number. You pop that right into Google and you can find stock photos, you can find names of things. If you don't have a new tag item, it's often on the material tag. So look for that on Free People. But I could make one listing for these gray jogger or whatever they're called, and I would have different sizes, maybe even different colors available. So that is helpful as a reseller because you make one listing, multiple sales from that one listing. So it's a time saver, and saving time saves money. No, it's not saving time saves money. It's time is money. Time is money as a reseller because the more efficient you are in your processes like that, the more you can work, the more you can list, the more money you can make. Yeah, something like that. Okay, here's those joggers again. And these ones are a nice pink blush color. This one doesn't have the tag though, which is weird. So it has the new tag, but it doesn't have like the Free People Movement tag, so I'll have to note that. And so I don't know what size they are. Bummer. And guess what? This stuff happens with mystery boxes. You can count on it. And if you order from any type of wholesale liquidation company, this sort of stuff happens. You might see on my channel, you'll see if you look on my channel, I have all these unboxings from a company called Backstock. I'm not an affiliate for B&G or Backstock, but I do have links that give you discounts down below. But when I get stuff from them, from that wholesale company, sometimes the stuff won't have tags too, or it won't have a new tag. It's just part of the deal. Let me move quicker. I do have a client at noon. But this box, I couldn't wait to open it. I'm a part-time reseller. I'm a full-time psychotherapist. That's my calling and life purpose in this world. I work mostly with teens, but I'm a family therapist. I work with people of all ages. I love it. I started another channel. It's called The Grateful Therapist. It's kind of a new project. I would love your support over there. So if you type into YouTube, The Grateful Therapist, you can find me and we can talk over there about things like working with teenagers, anxiety, grief, whether you're an introvert or extrovert, all those kind of fun personal growth, mental health issues. So find me over there. This is another one of those cozy sweatshirts in a size medium, and it's just a different color. Yeah, I'm definitely keeping one of these, you guys. It's like a cute cropped boxy style, but they're super fleecy and they're just so nice. I think this is kind of like a gray brown. I'm just gonna throw it all down and make a big mess in my living room. Oh, I love this color. This looks like an army. Oh, hello, it's right on here, you guys. Quimby, you're so... I don't know if I saw this on the other bags though. I did not, because I was like, wow, you really missed something there. Right on the bag, it says Free People Wholesale, Work It Out hoodie, and this is Army Green Small, so it's probably that same one. It's not on the other bags that way, but thank you, B&G. This is helpful. This is awesome. I hope the comps are pretty good on these. I'll be sure to pop them up. And I do care about comps, they're important, but they're not my everything. Usually what I'll do is I'm gonna shoot high. I'm gonna put things high price and I'll have best offer or I'll send out offers. Ooh, maybe this is the one I'm gonna keep. It's a size small, but it's, oops, dropping the clothes. That's like a big YouTube hauler mistake. Boxy, super soft and olive green. Oh yeah, that one's probably staying with me. Oh wait, maybe I have another one. Oh no, now I've got the joggers again. I wish they had the name on them like that other one. These are size extra small, olive green. So I got pretty much all the same sweatshirts and joggers, just different colors. They might have said that in the listing, like, it said mostly sweatshirts and hoodies, but I wasn't sure if it would be other stuff as well. So this might be a short video, which is good because the video I put out recently, my Thredup denim box was 50 pounds of Thredup pre-owned denim. Jeans and everything, that video was like almost 40 minutes long. So, but some of you said you liked the longer videos, so I think I'll do some shorts and some longs. Okay, here it is again in a charcoal gray, size extra small, so the verdict is in, and that is I got only 2 items, a hooded sweatshirt and jogger pants, but I got it in different sizes and colors. And it might have said on the listing that's all it was, but guess what? Mama's gonna keep one of these sweatshirts, and if I can squeeze myself into one of these joggers, I'm glad I got different sizes, and I'm glad I got different colors. Size medium, the jogger. So there you have it. If you need a super comfy pair of joggers or a hooded sweatshirt from Free People that's super soft and lovely, I've got it for you. I think this was a pretty darn good box. I think I'll make some money on it. I love sharing it with you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you like on the way out with the little thumbs up button. And for now, I'll say bye bye, bye bye, bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye. Thanks so much for watching, friends. Love ya. See you in the next video. Bye.
Oh, matchy matchy.
Matchy matchy is what I said. Okay, oh, the reselling wisdom is here. Yes, I'm passing it on. The reselling wisdom is here. Yes, I'm passing it on.